Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to the Do Now. Here's the first question. Which of the following expressions is the closest approximation to the height h in feet of the roof truss shown below? So this height right here, A, B, C, D, or E. Ready, set, go. Do it.
Also want to send a special birthday shout out to Curtia, Kirkland, and Dillard. Happy birthday to Curtia.
All right.
We also had a birthday
So,
this weekend for Nika.
let's do it.
Dude.
Okay. So, so we need the height. All right. So I have two right triangles here. One right triangle here. So it doesn't matter which one I focus on. Let's focus on this one right here. If this is 30, this is down the middle. So this would be 15. This would be 15. So this is the reference angle, obviously. This is the hypotenuse. Straight across is the opposite side. And this is the adjacent side. So I have opposite, which is the height, which is I want, and the adjacent, which is 15. So I have opposite and adjacent, so I'm going to use tangent. Tangent of 20 equals the height, which is opposite, over adjacent, which is 15. How do you solve all these? You always cross multiply. H times 1 is H. 15 times tangent of 20. This is a number. It's like some decimal. Is 15 tangent of 20. So 15 tangent of 20 equals H. So that would be, let's see, A. Nice job. Cool. Let's try the next one. Ooh, circumference. What's the radius? What do you think it's going to be? I don't even know. Ready, set, go. All right, this one you got to know your formula. So circumference equals 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. Why does it equal pi times diameter? Why is there 2? Because 2 radii equal 1 diameter. So if all the way around the circle is 16 pi, what's the radius right there? So I'm just going to put this here. 16 pi has to equal this. I'm using this because I'm looking for the radius. So 2 pi r. So these are two numbers, so I'm going to divide by 2 pi. Pi divided by pi is 1. Just like anything when you have a numerator and denominator the same, it's 1. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. And I just have r left here. So 8 equals r. Let's see. That would be C. If you got C, good work. Okay, next one. This one's tricky. Exponent style. N equals 8. 16 times 2m equals 4. N minus 8. Oh my goodness. Then what does m equal? Okay. So it gives you n, you got to find m. Ready, set, go. All right, let's try this one. This was tough. Hopefully you put in the effort and got it. So n equals 8. That's the first thing I'm going to do. 16 times 2 to the m equals 4 to the 8 minus 8. Okay, 4 to the 8 minus 8 is 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, so I got to make this equal to 1. So I'm thinking, okay, so if I have 16, then I need 1 over 16 here. Why? Because 16 divided by 16 is 1. So I need 16 on my denominator. So I know I need a negative exponent here. So 2 to the what power is 1 over 16. So that's 2 times 2, that's 4, 8, 16. So that's negative 4. So this is 1 over 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1. So the answer is negative 4. If you got that, shout out to you. That's a tough one. If not, write this down. Try and do it on your own. So that's F. Good work. All right, last one. What's the slope of a line parallel to the line 9x plus 4y equals 7? 9x plus 4y equals 7. Okay. So I know that parallel, oh, no. Okay, let's do it. So I know that parallel lines have the same slope. So I just got to find the slope. So I can put in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to subtract 9x here. 4y equals negative 9x plus 7 divided by 4. Y equals negative 9 fourths x plus 7 fourths. So now that's the slope and that's the y-intercept. So negative 9 over 4 is the slope. Parallel lines have the same slope. because they never intersect. So that would be G. Nice job, everybody. Good work.